So what just happened?
So I've just got a message from a landlord. We actually met him the other day, and we're taking his property off him at the end of this month. The situation is, there's already a rent-to-renter in that property, which is not offering the landlord much money at all. So we've offered him more, and he's going to vacate at the end of this month, and we're going to take over. The issue is, we've got a huge refurb on this property. We want all the furniture and fixings moved out of the property because it's just not good at all, and we put better stuff in. But the landlord is saying that he wants us to keep all the furniture and fixings, so now we've got the issue of taking it all down and removing it, which I won't be doing personally, Ray won't be doing. We're going to be getting our tradesmen to remove it all.
This deal we got by negotiating with the landlord, didn't we?
Yep.
He wanted to not input any money whatsoever, and it needs a new kitchen, so we would never advise a rent-to-renter to do one that needed a new kitchen. But we've negotiated that the landlord's going to fit a brand new kitchen and we're going to paint and decorate, aren't we?
Yeah, so he's contributing £3,000. So not only is he giving us his property, which is going to have a monthly cash flow for 5 years, he's also contributing £3,000 into the refurb because he knows how good this service is that we provide.
That, my friends, is how you continue to build your business, even though what we're doing right now is recording a training for you. So we're just in the middle of recording a training around rent to rent. So if you want to know more, make sure that you keep subscribing and following Real Life Group on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn as well. Also, I'm on TikTok. Mark Harden 40, I think. I think that's what it is.
I need to follow you on that.
But more importantly, get yourself to reallife-group.com where you can actually start registering, getting access to free resources. But also, why don't you book a call with one of our team and we can figure out what it is, or we can have a discussion to discover what it is you need and then see how we boost your journey forward. What do you reckon, guys?
Yeah.
I reckon that's absolutely perfect. And what the main question is, do the right things for the right reasons, and that's the only reason you're going to discover your true potential. So hit that like button.
You heard it there, hit the like button. Let's do this.